Hello everyone. So just to kind of give you a bit of an update where we are. So we've got the Foxeer Nightwolf version 2. That's got the 1/2 inch CCD sensor inside. Obviously we've always been playing around really with the 1/3 inch CCD. So we're going to see on how that marries up. And also this allows us to play around with, I can't understand why, but 5 volts up to 40 volts. As to why you would want to have 40 volts going through a little camera like that is beyond me, but you know, it is what it is. The other thing that obviously I've got hold of, which you know from a video of a while back in fact we're going back to last year actually, was the Runcam Night Eagle. Now that's got a 1/8 of an inch CMOS lens inside, of which that'll run from a 5 volt up to a 17 volt, which is kind of more, you know, expected. But still, the two quite nice little cameras. Now the element is, and the reason why I'm doing this quick video is there's a gentleman on the Night Vision Builders group who's kind of wanting to understand about the wiring, and the wiring of these are actually quite simple. So you end up with a kind of a wiring harness like this. You don't need to worry about the purple and green, so I'm potentially probably going to snip those off. The black and white you need to keep because that's for your OSD control, and then the remainder you'll have black, red and yellow, which black is your negative, red is your positive, and yellow is your video feed. So this is a test rig that I've got, so don't moan at me for about the state of my wiring because it is horrendously crap. But as you can see, so I've got a DC jack here to allow the power to come in. Comes round to a little, can't remember what they're called, but the pluggy things with the screws in. Someone will just moan at me for that. So obviously power in, power out, just going through to the screen. The screen's powered up to 12 volts, and I've just got the video feed. So that's it. So a standard wiring diagram that is either on the Night Vision Builders group or a plug for myself is on DIY-nightvision.com. There's a wiring diagram in there, but they're all going to be muchness. So what we'll do, pop in the power, not become. So let's see if we can, that's going to work. There we go. One thing I do like on this is you've got voltage indicator, which is going to be great if you're out in the field, whether you're going to have this on as a night vision scope or if you're going to have it as a spotter. At the moment I want to play around with spotters because I keep on getting asked about it no end by a gentleman called Mike James. He's on a UK preppers group on Facebook if you want to get over there. And yeah, so it should be all okay. You've got the OSD, so this, I don't know whether I want to try and faff around to try and have that included or not, but you can, again, it's the usual setup. You can go through the menu as is. I won't go through that at the moment because there's no point, but this is just a quick overview for the wiring side of things, powering it up, and just to kind of show you what I'm up to at the moment. There's maybe one other things that are going on in the world of Gav, but apart from that, that'll do for now. No thanks, bye.